All right, folks, we're back here at Lavaggio, the Art of Auto Detailing for all Corvette Cars and Coffee. We've got every generation of Corvette out here. This is a really nice car. You know what you're looking at. A lot of modification, very tastefully done. Kind of hidden in a certain way, but just beautiful. Really well done car. Somebody spent some money and did it right. So we just walk around. The event's supposed to start around 9 and it's 8:45. We'll just take a quick gander. We have so much fun in Southern California doing car stuff. And any excuse to get together. We've got Redline Corvette, Simi Valley Corvettes, Valencia, Santa Clarita, Ventura, and what a great day. C7R, I love it. We've got Z06, we've got Z06. These are still pretty rare. Awesome car. Grand Sport, C8s, C7s, C6s, C5s, ZR1s. You know, we have so much fun partnering with great folks. Bill over there, he ran point on the event. Lavaggio provided the venue, and this is what we do. We get people together at beautiful venues, and today just happens to be Corvettes. So we probably have another 15 vets, 20 vets coming in, and we'll be at capacity. And it's a great time, absolutely great time. So a little foggy, misty out here. So cool. All right, I'm gonna check on everything. That's where we're at right there. More to come. Like and subscribe. Folks, back here at Lavaggio, my good friend Bill, who ran point on this incredible Corvette event. I mean, Bill, this is a Grand Slam home run. You did it all. What do we have going on today at Lavaggio?
So we had 42 confirmed reservations. Right now, we've already had 36 of those 42 arrive. We have all but 2 generations here on display. We're lacking a C1 and we're lacking a C5 generation. If you happen to have one of those 2 in your neighborhood, come on by quickly. But we've got every color. We've got hard tops, we've got convertibles, we have the HTCs, hardtop convertible, and we've got several Corvette clubs here right now.
What clubs?
So we have Simi Valley, we have Ventura County Club, we have Redline Club, we have somebody I believe from Santa Clarita Club, so it's a real good representation of some of the local clubs in the area.
And you're also doing a big drive. Tell us about the drive you guys are doing.
Yeah, thank you for that. So huge event that takes place once every 5 years, which is called the National Corvette Museum Caravan. It happens to take place on the anniversary of the museum opening, which was in 1994. Most people that have never heard of the museum at least have heard of the infamous sinkhole that gobbled up about 6 or 8 priceless Corvettes exactly 10 years ago this month.
Oh.
Okay. Anyway, long story short, they have about 28 caravans that originate throughout the US and Canada, and we all assemble into Bowling Green, home of the museum and home of where the Corvette's built. They're only about a mile apart from each other, and that happens the week leading up to Labor Day weekend this coming August. I'm the captain for the Southwest section. We already have 160 Corvettes signed up and registered.
160 Corvettes.
160, and we're expecting somewhere between 200 and 250 by the time August rolls around.
Caravanning together.
Caravanning together.
Starting at one location.
We actually start right where they start the Rose Parade every year, corner of Orange Grove and Colorado, where all those grandstands are.
Yeah.
That's the Pasadena Elks Lodge parking lot, and they can accommodate 200, 250 cars.
So if somebody has a Corvette and wants to participate, they can reach out to you?
Yes.
How?
So the best thing to do would be you could go ahead and go to our Facebook website, search out Southwest Corvette Caravan. You can also reach out via email if you'd like. It's SW, as in Southwest, caravancaptain@gmail.com. If that's too much to remember, ask a Corvette friend. I'm sure they'll know how to get a hold of me.
And you're telling me by the date you guys are going to take off, you're going to have over 250 Corvettes driving together.
Somewhere between
at least 250.
Yeah.
I'm going to say at least, because we all know I've done events for a lot of years.
Right.
And as you get closer, more people hear about it and jump on board. And listen, I got to tell you something. Working with Bill on this thing, it was a breeze. You guys want a great event, get a hold of Bill. Go to the caravan. I'm gonna go watch them depart, because I mean, it's gonna be a sight to see.
Yeah, we'll have several local news channels there, and probably a helicopter or two in the sky. It's a big event.
I may follow you guys for maybe an hour on the freeway.
We also have 7 days journey to get there, and we have a great agenda of where we're stopping and where we're going, and a couple of surprises.
Ladies and gentlemen, reach out to Bill. You're gonna have a great time. Thank you for today. All your hard work getting this together.
Thank you, Dustin.
Super well done.
Appreciate it.
Cheers.
Cool.
Partnering with great people in the car world makes life wonderful. Oh, there's Steve Geldman. Everyone loves Steve Geldman. All right, I'm gonna sign off, get some more video, talk to friends. This is what we do in California. We have fun. All right, we're back here at Lavaggio and doing a Corvette day. Check this thing out. I don't know what else is coming here. This is the car of the day. I love this thing. Solid lifter 427. Grand Sport. I mean, this thing is unbelievable. Check that out. I would love to cruise that thing. Canyons, PCH, take it on a racetrack. That is some old school cool with some updated high performance features on it. Unbelievable. So well done. Unbelievable.
If you guys bought a raffle, we're going to do the raffle.
Watch behind you guys.
one that